Maraming business gurus ang nagsasabi that if you find a job you enjoy, you will never work a day in your life. Because of this, many students hop from one course to another looking for a profession that they might enjoy. Many employees hop from one company to another looking for a job that will fulfill their dreams. Many entrepreneurs would hop from one business to another looking for the one that will make them rich so that they can enjoy traveling, eating good food, wearing nice clothes, having expensive watches and bags, and nice cars. While a few have found their dream job, many have grown old, unfulfilled. They feel they have wasted a lifetime looking for that perfect opportunity that will make them enjoy life. Kaso lang, hindi nila nakita. Alam mo, may kilala akong millennial who shared his frustration by saying, 36 na ako, pero wala pa rin nangyayari sa buhay ko. I have tried different jobs and pursued many different business opportunities pero hindi ko nakita yung trabaho na mag enjoy ako. Sabi niya sa akin, sana kung saan ako today, ito na yon. Pero as he said this, hindi pa rin siya sigurado. Sobrang kaunti lang ang mga taong nakakita ng trabaho they enjoy. We often see them as social media influencers. So they become the aspirations of people hoping that someday sila rin makakaswerte katulad ng mga idol nila sa internet. Ako naniniwala that the reason why most people do not find the job they enjoy is because they do not understand the meaning of to enjoy. The dictionary says to enjoy means to take delight, to take pleasure, or benefit from something. Sa Hebrew naman, the word to enjoy is ra'a, meaning to take pleasure in the situation. Ang problema ng karamihan is that they are looking for a job that will give them joy, make them happy, and make them fall in love with the job. The definition of to enjoy suggests that to enjoy your job, you must make a decision to take delight, to take pleasure, to benefit from, not the other way around. Ang gusto natin yung trabaho ang magbibigay sa atin ng joy. The definition says, tayo magde-decide that we will enjoy it. Alam mo sa panahon namin noon, wala kami masyadong options. So to enjoy what we have, we made a decision to stay put and make the most out of our opportunities then. I remember nung nagtatrabaho ako for HP every year, I was looking for something better. Kaso lang during the time, the opportunities were very limited. So after a few years, I made the decision, I will enjoy my job and excel at it. During our time, we made the opportunities we had perfect by working hard and deciding to love it. Ngayon, maraming opportunities and options sa mga tao. So instead of making a decision to enjoy what they have, ang gagawin nila, they would pack their things and look for something else, hoping that they will find a job that they will enjoy. Sana sa trabaho na yon, mabait ang boss, mabait ang mga katrabaho, malaki ang sweldo. Ang gusto ng mga tao ngayon, yung trabaho ang magbibigay sa kanila ng joy. Kaya hindi sila nakakahanap ng trabahong they enjoy. However, some people at a certain point found a job they enjoy in the beginning. Ang problema lang, ang lahat ng trabaho and negosyo will encounter challenges. May malas na darating, aalis yung boss mo, hindi ka mabibigyan ng raise, something will discourage you in that opportunity. When this happened, people would say, hindi na ako happy dito. So, anong gagawin na? Maghahanap na naman sila ng iba. Pag nakahanap sila ng iba, will things change? No. When you decide to hop from one opportunity to another, you will never bear fruit or create the abundance you desire because you do not give yourself a chance to take root. Friends, to enjoy your job or your business comes from a decision you make, not an opportunity you find. Stop hopping from one opportunity to another. Stop looking for that perfect opportunity because there is none. Decide to see what you have today as a blessing, accept it as your lot, and decide, I will enjoy my work, my job, my business. And you will find that everything will change for you. Sana nakatulong itong video na to sa iyo to be able to understand how to find a job that you will enjoy so that you will never work a day in your life. By doing this, I hope that you will be able to build a fruitful future, a future of abundance where you can be a blessing to many people. Sana nakatulong itong video na to sa iyo. Kung nakatulong to sa iyo, I'm sure meron kang kaibigan o kamag-anak who needs to hear this. In addition, baka you can help me improve the standing of this channel sa YouTube. I hope you will subscribe and like this video so that the algorithm of YouTube can share this to more Filipinos. Maraming salamat sa pagpanood and may God bless you.